I wanted to figure out a way to use flavored wood chips to enhance the smoke of my barbecue. And so on my Weber, I always like to use lump charcoal because I think it gives the best flavor. So while I light this, there were a couple of ways that I tried this. I tried it with conventional wood pellets that you probably would find in a Traeger, and I just took the sipping broth, poured it right on the the pellets, and tried to get good smoke out of that, good flavor. I couldn't really get anything out of that, so I tried something else where I put the broth right into some water, and I was going to soak the mesquite wood in that brothy water to see if that made a difference. And it ended up making a huge difference. I tried using a smoker box, and I couldn't really get the smoke to come out as quickly as I wanted to. So I tried it directly on a grill, and that still didn't work the way I wanted either. So I put it directly on the charcoal, and I had let it soak long enough that this gave me about half an hour of cooking, and the chicken came out amazing.